In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bolt.new to Supabase. First, open your browser and go to Bolt.new. Give the page a moment to load so all workspace menus appear. In the top left corner, you'll see your account area with your email. Click that to open the account menu, then choose Settings. This is where all of your workspace level configurations live, and it's the place you'll return to anytime you need to manage integrations. Inside Settings, navigate to the Applications section. This page lists the apps that can connect to Bolt and share data securely. Scroll through the catalog until you find Supabase. When you see the Supabase tile, click Connect. This will redirect you to Supabase so you can sign in and approve the connection between the two services. On the Supabase sign-in screen, you have a few options. If your organization uses GitHub or single sign-on, choose that option to continue. It's fast, and it keeps your credentials centralized. If you prefer a direct login, enter your email address, then your password to sign in. Use only your own account details, and avoid sharing credentials with others. If you pick the GitHub route, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. Review the requested permissions and click Authorize to proceed. This authorization lets Bolt access the specific Supabase resources needed to function with your projects. If your Supabase account belongs to multiple organizations, make sure the correct organization or project is selected during this step so Bolt connects to the right environment. After you finish signing in and authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Bolt. Return to the Applications page if it doesn't open automatically. You should now see Supabase marked as connected. If the status hasn't updated yet, give it a few seconds and refresh the page. That's it. Your Bolt workspace is now linked with Supabase. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Connect button, check that you're in the correct Bolt workspace and that you have permission to manage integrations. If the authorization window didn't appear, look for a blocked pop-up in your browser. And if your team uses strict access controls in Supabase, you might need an admin to complete the authorization step. With the connection in place, you're set up to work more seamlessly between Bolt and your Supabase projects without copy-pasting credentials. Thanks for following along, and you're ready to move on to building.